as NDLEA take catch am, she pretend say she get belle, then catch her where she dey try to traffic these drugs outside we country. C0ca na be her name. They say them catch her dey smuggle 1.3 kilogram of cocaine after she pretend say she get belle. She been talk say she inherits this drug trade from her husband wey already die. She normally dey do fashion business for over 20 years, but since her husband die, as things tough, she decide to continue the legacy of her husband, where they can still uncover 200 grams of cocaine.
It is just a case of person where is so used to illegality that he see it as a way of life. Now, where she don't do that when they don't catch up, wetin go happen to the children where she go live now? You marry person where they do illegal thing and you are okay with it.
And we be 89.9 Yanga FM.
And you don't know, say yes, now time for 899 Patrol for the station where sabi FM. Don't forget, say you still listen to Wetin Dey.
Now so.
Wetin Dey for this patrol where a patrol go today now so. Two things involving women. One, a widow has been arrested for carrying drugs as NDLEA take catch am. She pretends say she get belle, then catch her where she dey try to traffic these drugs outside we country. According to her confessions, this na business where her husband don dey do.
Wow.
So she carry on with the
legacy of the family.
No be small legacy.
What a legacy.
What a legacy. Another shocking story now where we take enter Kwara State, where we hear of a pregnant woman wey be widow. Again, where they find her dead body, say it dey dismembered.
They cut her to pieces.
Luckily for us, they don't get one suspect now. Maybe the younger brother to the husband, that is the deceased husband.
Yeah.
That one day for inside police custody now. They answer questions relating to the dismembered body of this widow. Joining us on top of the program today now the police talk person in the person of the SP Ejiri Adetun Adeyemi. She going to join us virtually to discuss this particular matter, how them take find out these people, and then we'll go also discuss them together. I say yourself, you send us a text message onto how you see this matter. 090-4821-3013 be the number to Chukmal put. 090-4821-3013. Send us text message, send us WhatsApp message, and we could definitely air your opinion. My name is Najite Atirene, and of course you already hear the voices.
Yeah.
Punkila and Koski.
PMP.
What do you call the mix now?
PMP. NPP.
Oh God, yes,
APC.
It's like NPS. All right, that's the matter we will carry come on top of 899 Patrol. Be a part of the conversation. I can talk 090-4821-3013. Now the number to call. Details of this matter, we say, first of all, we'll talk about the drug issue.
The woman.
The 50-year-old widow, now she be, her name na Ifoma Ezewike. I beg, make a pronounce that way. Ezewike, now be her name. They say them catch her, they smuggle 1.3 kilogram of cocaine after she pretends say she get belle. And from her confessions, like I don't tell you, she been talk say she inherits this drug trade from her husband, wey already die. She normally they do fashion business for over 20 years, but since her husband died, as things tough, she decided to continue the legacy of her husband, where they can still uncover 200 grams of cocaine. Talk to us. We get 40 minutes to just wrap up this talk. What do you think?
Ladies and gentlemen, for me, it is just a case of person where is so used to illegality that you see it as a way of life.
Right.
Now where she don't do that when they don't catch up. Wetin go happen to the children where she go live now?
Exactly.
She no think that one.
She no think am.
If to say she don't they do small job to take maintain, she for still dey there to mother them.
If she still continue her fashion designing,
you understand? Now be say the kind of lifestyle where she dey live, where her husband don't teach am, she no fit go back on that thing, which is sad, very sad. And at the end of the day, of all the things to go and do, quick money, let me go and do it. And then the husband self, well, I don't understand some people. You marry person where they do illegal thing and you are okay with it. I don't know. I don't know.
Make we go this musical break. When we come back, we'll still put mouth inside this matter and join the police talk person for Kwara State. No go anywhere. All right, so we
you
don't
know,
come
say
back.
anytime I hear that, wait, I don't want come up for road.
Why?
Because I know say that side they come.
Are
they
you
come.
a suspect?
Yeah, I know. I just respect myself.
The only suspect, right? They fear. If you're not a suspect, you don't go to fear.
Everybody for Nigeria na suspect.
All right, so now still 899 patrol you dey listen to for Wetin Dey, and at the station we sabi you got your earpods this morning 89.9 Yanga FM. My name still remain Najite. Punkila Day here, Foski Day here. Ejiro, they one corner. Really? Oh, namaste.
Oh, that's very.
This one and must go. No be na must stay.
Anyways, the matter will carry come now. Say a widow, they don't catch her now for say she carry drugs. Enter as a NDLEA catch her carry drugs, and she they continue the legacy of her husband. Before we go this break, we don't hear from Poski. Make her hear from you, Punkila. What do you think about this legacy where she carry on? Because she gets a good job. If you ask, as a fashion designer.
Yes. That legacy for me, not be legacy well good. Before I go to legacy, make I start with a simple thing. We're going to make people understand them. Paste. When they tell you say 1 kg, I know say a lot of people don't understand 1 kg. For men who don't marriage, where their wife don't burn children, where they go bring your newborn baby out for you, may you hope for hand.
Right.
Just imagine some of those children are like 1.5, 1 kg.
Wow.
May somebody come high jump on inside bozy. It's not a small something where the woman do pa.
I like the way you carry this analysis go because it link with her pretense.
Of course. When they tell you say 1 kg, you know, Mala, if you want to wait to 1 kg mean, go carry like 2 watermelon where heavy, where they okay. Put tie on for your belly, then you go have an idea. May they say somebody come carry that kind something. Come one use fragrance, you do was boju pass the road. It shows say she don't dey even differ than the husband for inside.
Yeah.
It means say she don't dey encourage the husband to do this
maybe
kind
that she dey push the husband from the beginning. Because for her to get a mindset to do that kind of something, can't use something where they're important to all of us in this world, use and do cover up. Fragrance, because all of us in this world, there's nowhere where you see a woman way fragrant.
You go
give her space.
And even that kind of style self, if you ask me, you don't even cast. You don't cast. If you ask me, you know, I don't know the mind where she gets take drum. I don't know the kind morale where she carry for mind take carry that kind of thing. Well, like I said, for over 20 years where she they do fashion designing, no matter how it be, say the husband don't die, money no day. You know that you get you're not supposed bad rich like that. You're not supposed bad rich like that. You get a job where they dignifying. You get a good handwork.
My sister, how many people won't wait for God time? The fear of hunger don't make people no get the fear of God. The fear of poverty no let people fear God again. So why she no fit wait? And now it don't worse pass as waiting she dey avoid. Hey, I want to take care of my family. Now they go knock you. No,
take care of the family.
Nothing again.
Exactly.
Make una dey think this thing well now. Make una dey think.
I don't know why. Sorry, bros. I don't know why people they get bad mentality about it. My mother, apart from say she they do akara, now also fashion designers. So and I know some money they the center because entire akara business go na passion money would they take supporter. What say they why me? Quanta say they do passion business say no money no.
Wait. Because every day people they wear clothes they
you they why me? Whether they wear passion style these days, whether they tear halfway.
The one wait like that bespoke. You can't say money no. My brothers and sisters, the fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. If you are looking for a shortcut, you will find yourself where you no plan.
Inside the long
Meanwhile, let me say this very quickly. Because they never catch you, you go think say na you sabi pass. Every day for the thief.
Now one day big person where they land.
Like they talk say to get to success, no be by say you climb elevator.
No.
You need to climb the staircase.
I like that one.
Anyways, make we enter inside Kwara State where we're going to get the police talk person, the person of Adeton Ejire Adeyemi. We're going to talk to us about this particular crime of a sudden incident which happened on the number 21 day for August 2025. This one happened for inside Egbejila Road for Temidare community for inside in Lonri, and they talk say residents now even called the attention of police wey swiftly respond to this particular incident. This woman na 39-year-old woman wey be the victim in this case. Now we don't die. 39-year-old na she be, and her name na Esther Enemo. They find her dead body, say they dismembered.
They cut her to pieces.
They cut her to pieces for inside bush where they behind her house. And according to Wetin the police they talk, according to the police talk person we release statement talk, say now part of her body now they put for inside bag, dump am for near community bridge. They can't talk say now one of the suspects where they don't catch so far since this investigation starts. Now her younger brother to the husband of the deceased, now them catch. Now this story it shocked me when I first see him, and I sure say it shocked on too for street.
It was shocked that
you say somebody na weasel. Meaning said the husband he done die. She now the brother of that died. The husband.
Now the number one suspect.
Number one suspect.
Nigeria Limited.
The police talk person go to join us on top of telephone. Welcome to the program. Good morning. Hello. Okay, why would they try to make her join us? Make her get in her thoughts. What do you think say don't go down? Some people go talk say na ritual. Some people go talk say just to eliminate the woman from maybe probably the husband get property way no one make you partake.
That it is visible. Property things and two vengeance.
Waiting be vengeance.
Vengeance unto waiting.
The guy na just criminal.
Maybe from those kind of family where the siblings and don't say the woman get harm for the death of their brother. So and they no go let her go.
Now them be Nigerian police force now.
But if the family thinks so, why be say now only one person be the suspect, now only him be the member of the family?
So possibly na in dey near her.
So now only think the suspicion. Now only take the action.
Only can take the action.
We can't say now because he has not been confirmed to be guilty.
Yeah, not suspect.
But at the end of the day, if this guy be the suspect, then there are two things for me. It's either they try to be in brother property from the woman. Say once the man don't die, now the woman gets next of kin now.
That is if the brother put them as next of kin.
But you see, they are so silly. They don't even check. You go on use that traditional. Now my brother, by our custom and tradition, now me supposed collect the house. Now me supposed collect the car. But the woman now in charge. You go look say, if the woman die, now me go be the next person. I don't know how people they so evil, wicked. At the end of the day,
and I think, Mukhtar, I think it's high time we begin to create an awareness for people to understand something. Right. Sometimes when a brother die, leave property, I don't know the reason why he picked the woman as next of king. Maybe now she be the backbone of the survival of that business. Maybe now she even get 80%
of the money.
Maybe now she get the whole money. Yeah. But go they say na him brother, so he entitled to monitor the brother.
It's my brother's property.
The brother property. Meanwhile, the woman will get almost 90% of the wealth we created the property.
Say I'm like that.
I don't go let her get anything. Well, that's a scenario where we say now woman her family inheritance now she give her husband even the small money where she get now she support that inheritance. The man below get properties everywhere, but because you get will before she die, the family can't push the woman outside. Imagine her father inheritance where she carry you support her husband. Now the husband don't make him, he die. The husband family collect everything. She can't do zero.
Can you imagine?
Imagine the case of ritual now. We could talk about ritual cases. I don't know. We don't already talk about many people. They talk and say cutting of human parts and or even some traditionalists don't talk say amount to anything ritually.
Basically.
Now just waste of time now.
Now waste of time.
Now waste of. And I don't know why people are so silly. They still believe it. If to say that's so easy, the babala way they do it for you supposed to use private jet. You supposed to use G-Wagon.
That's what we dey take.
The baba way they can tell you to go bring human being come. Now don't look at where. Now if you say there's something wrong somewhere, and I don't know why you people will still keep on ending people's destiny.
See,
all on the basis say baba doesn't make her go bring human being. You bring her, you do and do and do.
Firstly, I get one Yoruba adage where you talk that day. He say somebody oti so ko wela sho oti woti orun. Abi had the talk up Yoruba.
Translate that.
She translate and that day. She say woman
he say person wey won't give you clothes. You no look your own neck waiting in the way.
You don't get time. Now so.
Person wey say he go make you billionaire. Where they write Okada up and down. You know judge am.
Maybe na poverty billionaire.
I don't know why people are so gullible. Now be say, hey, if they tell you say jump, now no they think am well. In this day and age of AI and technology, you see they think like 1960. My people, may we wake up. Part of the problem where we get for this country now, people still living in 1960, where they believe saying na so it's supposed to be, because now this way where you take Siam, it must be. My brother, people know they when your mates they look Netflix, you they look for 29 in 1. Olodo. Sit down there.
Excuse me, which one be 29 in 1?
Make we know to talk the ones where we don't know.
We they work now.
Yeah, we they work, but these things they lead to conversations where actually they needed, where we need to actually air our voices on. We they try to get with the talk person for inside Kwara State. When we get her, we will definitely bring her on. Make we just quickly take this break and then we'll connect to her when they come back. All right, welcome back to 899 Patrol on top the station Wasabi 89.9 Yanga FM. We don't get the police talk person for inside Kwara State. Make we talk about this particular woman where them talk say she get Belle where they find her dead body in pieces for inside Temidire community for Ilorin for Kwara State there. Welcome to the program. Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
Thank you. Say you join us. Time no day. Sharply. Milk will not take too much of your time. Wait if you tell us about this particular case of Esther Enemo where they find her dead body in pieces, and also the suspect where they in question now. According to your statement, it talks in a younger brother to the disease. Wait if you let us know about this particular matter.
All right. I greet everybody when they listen to me. My name is SP Adetun Ejira Adeyemi. Nami DB is Public Relations Officer here in Kwara State.
Yes, ma'am.
The thing what happened be say on the it was a report that was a report was made at the police station, and how the thing they happened be say one person noticed the younger brother when he come out from house on that fateful day. So he come ask say he see am like say the lock door, you know say then they around. So he come ask am say una dey. He say okay, where you come, what of oga and him wife, where then dey? He say oga no dey, but the wife dey. He say if the wife dey, why you can't lock the door? He come out. He say he won't go buy something. This was the narration of the person who raised
the alarm,
an alarm.
Right.
And made the report at the police station. So, and this incident was on the 21st of August.
Wow. That's on
they called
Wednesday.
The area, yes, they called the area Temidire, Ide Gbejila here in Ilorin, Temidire community. So he said he won't go buy something. That one was not like, if person they go buy something, person they inside house. Why they
lock door?
Why they lock door exactly?
So he said when the guy left, he said he was not too okay with the explanation, so he can't go their side. The guy said maybe they inside the same compound. So he said he see blood for the fence, for the wall. He said blood. So he had to report, and then immediately police swung into action, and then upon investigation they found the deceased of the late woman. Whom they refer to as Mrs. Esther.
I know more. Now, just help us clarify. We they hear say the husband of this woman is deceased. Is this correct?
No, he's not diseased.
Wow.
Okay, thank you for that clarification.
Alive, and he's also aiding in the investigation. Say when something like this happen, police no go waka far, go they arrest people. Now people when they close first, we go start our investigation. So the husband they part of the people when we they
also look at
currently the husband and the younger brother. So that's basically it for now.
At the time of this report, the husband no dey house.
According to him, he say he no dey. When police call him, they say he no dey. He dey on his way. They come because they say they work for inside Kwara State, not necessarily in Ilorin. So once in a while, then they come their house. Yes, for
Ilorin. Okay.
So he say in they come in the road they come.
When that thing happen. All right, thank you so much, ma. Time not really day, but what will be the next step in this investigation? What will be the next step, and what will be your advice to the public?
When we conclude investigations, we'll give you updates on the findings of the police. My message this morning be say we dey always dey talk am. If you see something, if you hear something, you say something. I've always told admonished members of the public to always be vigilant. If this man now, as this thing take happen now, if the man no go find out as that guy say talk, follow and talk. If the man no go a step further, we no go know until maybe when the decomposing corpse begin dey smell. At that time we go come notice, and by that time you know a lot of things. If the culprit dey close by, it will give him opportunity to even move further away. But we are hopeful and optimistic that the findings will tell us who the real culprit is, and then will be made to face the full wrath of the law.
Thank you so much, ma. We appreciate you, SP Adetun Ejire Adeyemo. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. All right, my people, you don't hear from a police talk person for inside Kwara State. Thankfully, she don't even clarify some things. Say the husband is not deceased. Say na person we know they around when this particular incident take happen. But the conversation still they continue. Time no day. We would like to take more responses, but conversation will still continue on top of YouTube. If you follow us for social media platforms, Yanga FM Nigeria, now we day for YouTube, Yanga 899 FM for Instagram, for TikTok, and for X, way be before Twitter. If you also go our website, will be www.yanga899.fm. All right, conversation they continue for there. My name is Najite Atirene, and till Monday again, I will bring you more crime story from different corners of we country. I don't move.
And we be 89.9 Yanga FM.